Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 20. We're going to be covering Polkadot, Litecoin, SHIB, Solana, Tron, Uniswap, and I think we're going to go slightly beyond the top 20 and touch Avalanche. Boop. And let's start with Polkadot. So for DOT against BTC, yes sir, we still have downside targets. 22,500 satoshis and 20,800 satoshis. So yeah, that'll be another 35%, right? Polkadot is still in a downtrend, right? We're still under the skinny pink line, so I am still inclined to stay with my bearish bias towards the downside for DOT against BTC, right? Until we clear the skinny pink line, we break above it, then only would I switch bullish. But until that happens, yeah, no, we still remain bias bearish for DOT against BTC. DOT against USDT, yeah, it's like we're sliding down a snowy mountain. We're sliding down the snowy mountain, and yeah, we have targets at $4.30. The next one will be at $3.33. We're at 5.25, so that will still be another like 30 something percent more towards the downside. I just don't see the bullish reversal yet. This could be, like I was saying, this could be an ending fifth wave coming on for DOT against USDT. It'll be great though, but yeah, so far I still don't see it yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, so again, we're still in a bearish trend. So until we switch bullish, we still remain bias bearish for Polkadot, as we still have two targets. Doesn't mean we're going to be hitting our targets. We could just start, reversing from here. This would be great for everybody. You make much more when things are going up rather than when things are going down, because when things go up, they can go up 100%, 200%, 500%, but when things drop, it's only to 90 something percent. You don't drop 500%, doesn't happen. But when things rise, they can rise 2, 3, 4, 500%, right? So that's why going long is much more profitable than shorting, but you can still make money shorting. So yeah, there you go. Moving on would be Litecoin. So Litecoin against BTC. Okay, Litecoin seems to be in a bullish trend already. Why would it be in a bullish trend? Yeah, because we are above the skinny pink line. So we're still biased bullish for Litecoin against BTC, which means that potentially this could be a very big move coming on for Litecoin against BTC towards the upside. Again, this is not what I would consider as a bullish reversal yet. Yes, we are already in a bullish trend, but I don't know if we're going to be in a sustainable type of a bullish trend. There will still be a retrace coming on, so watch out for that retrace. I think the whales are looking to take out the highs over here and potentially the highs over here as well. Pew pew. And then after that, maybe a retrace. So this whole thing could be a inverse head and shoulders. Da, da, da. Right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, we go even higher for Litecoin against BTC. If that were to happen, this would mean that Litecoin against USDT will be up, 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 and yeah, we could be on our way to, I don't know if this is going to be a squeeze though. Right, I still can't tell for sure. Litecoin against USDT is still facing some resistance at the skinny pink line. Are we going to break through the skinny pink line for real, for good? We are not too sure ourselves. Is this it for Litecoin towards the downside? Are we not going to come back down? I don't know. I need to see us break above the skinny pink line. Skinny pink line starts curving up. We retrace, consolidate a little bit, continue higher. Skinny pink line continues curving higher. Bullish trend, boys. So until that happens, we're going to be very, very, very careful about rushing into anything right at this point of time. I mean, if this were to happen, this would be great. This would be great. And then we'll probably, not hit our targets anymore. And I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. And after that, we recover. This is the best bullish case for everybody. But again, I still need to see the move come on, right? Again, I'm just going to show you the potential crazy bearishness, right? This whole thing could be a left shoulder, this whole thing could be a hit. We could get a right shoulder over here. Litecoin could collapse down to $3. We actually have a target for $3, but I forgot, where was it? Was it here? Or was it here? Coinbase? No? I drew it somewhere, but I forgot where I drew it. Yeah, but the point is that, again, you see this, right? You see this, right? Do you see this, boys and girls? Yeah, this is scary stuff. So again, if Litecoin does fall back towards the support line, Oh boy. $3. $3 is there, right? The possibility. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just a possibility, right? We're just plotting the possibilities of what could happen. And yeah, we'll have to take things one step at a time, right? Again, this was a squeeze. You could also argue this is something like an inverse head and shoulders, not exactly high quality. Boom, we went crazy, right? So the hope is that we get something like this as well, right? Some sort of a consolidation, pam, right? There's no consolidation yet, so Litecoin would still have to retrace eventually. Even if we do break out of the skinny pink line, we still have to retrace. And if this retrace can stay above the skinny pink line, then yeah, this would be great. If we fall back under the skinny pink line, okay, this would be very bad. So we'll see how it goes first. But yeah, in terms of tradability, for now, I don't think there's anything much to do for Litecoin. Moving on will be Shiba Inu. SHIB against USDT. So for SHIB against USDT, yeah, we have two targets over here, 630 and 470. We are 925. What are we going to get here? Are we going to get a mountain range over here, continuing lower? Or are we going to get a super recovery, maybe an ascending triangle as we head higher? Maybe yes, maybe no. In terms of our tradability, it's a no-go. We're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish for Shiba Inu against USDT. Yeah, no, there's just no tradable chart pattern. Not for Shiba Inu, not at this point of time. And again, when we rise, again, we get pulled down. We rise, we get pulled down. So there is that danger. Even if we do rise, we may get pulled down again. So you got to be very, very, very careful about Shiba Inu, right? This could be this is what you call a relief rally, and then we could be coming back down again. So yeah, that's SHIB for you. That is SHIB for you. Solana is a $2 target. Yeah, there's a target over here, $2.22. Oh my god. Yeah, again, you see this, right? Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, boom, we've already broken with conviction the support line over here, the head and shoulders support. Dear Lord, this is a lot like FTD. So if you look at FTD, right, left shoulder, hit, and right shoulder, we actually called it, the collapse. We actually did. So yeah, but anyway, Sol USDT. Let's go back to Sol. For Sol, yeah, to be honest, it doesn't look good. I wish I could tell you that things are gonna get better, but it doesn't look good. We're under the skinny pink line. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, and we could just out of nowhere miraculously see a mega pump coming, but no, I don't think so. Not at this point of time. But again, this is also not what I would consider as a bearish continuation chart pattern. So again, there could be a rally coming on, but my fear is that this rally would result in a bearish chart pattern as we continue lower for Sol against USDT. That is that fear as well. So but again, on a bullish note, this could be 5 waves. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we could be heading back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Right. So yeah, again, we're still not too sure. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we still remain with our bearish bias. I mean, of course, if you see a bullish reversal, then sure, we would really love to go on a trade for Sol. But again, the circumstances must present itself, right? The opportunity must present itself before we do anything for Solana. Sol BTCs, yeah, still not really that good. the scariest thing for Sol BTC is we might even get a head and shoulders over here, right? Do you see it? Left shoulder, mega hit. Small right shoulder, boom, we fall even lower for Sol against BTC. The reason why I still follow the bearish narrative is because, again, we're under the skinny pink line. 1, 2, there is strong selling pressure, right? And yeah, I mean, of course, if you get maybe a symmetrical triangle, we hit higher, we hit the skinny pink line, or we cross the skinny pink line, and then we come back down, maybe get something like an inverse head and shoulders over here. Skinny pink line starts curving back up, boom, we start blasting off towards the upside again. Best case scenario. But best bullish case scenario. But yeah, the bearishness still remains for Sol against BTC. It's still very scary to me at this point of time for Sol. So be careful. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Tron, yes sir. Tron against BTC. Okay, for Tron against BTC, we are above the skinny pink line. Ta-da! this is one thing good. Above the skinny pink line means potentially we are already in an uptrend and we have been consolidating above the skinny pink line. So if the spike continues towards the upside, then we'll very likely head towards 640. If we break the support and we fall lower, then more likely than not we'll be heading towards 192. So again, we're still not really sure about things for Tron against BTC. The chart pattern is just not really that clear. So yeah, even if there's a spike, there could still be some whale shenanigans to pull the price lower. Case in point over here, right? You might argue that this is something like a symmetrical, right? Super spike, we're going up higher, but nope, we got pulled lower. How many percent was this? 84%, yo. So yeah, the danger is there that we could still head lower. There is danger. So yeah, be careful. Be very, very careful. You can see it in the charts. Tron against USDT, yeah, we have a target over here, 3 cents, and then 2 cents, and then 1.5 cents. So this is still a long way down. 43%, 61%, 72%. So yeah, we're already out of the descending triangle, right? This is a very, very high quality bearish chart pattern. Sure, there's some wicks here and there, but you know, again, every time we go up, we get pulled down, we get pulled down, pulled down, pulled down. Boom, we've already broken the support and we are staying below the support. I mean, for now, right? So yeah, even when we are in a rally right now, it's a very weak rally. So slow, right? If let's say, for example, when it was here, look at this, we identified the symmetrical triangle. Pew, pew, right? Where is the pew? There's no pew. So yeah, it's a very weak rally, so be careful. I think there's still more downside. There could be some bull traps set up by the whales, so watch out for that. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line, so be careful. Be very, very careful about going long for Tron. Uniswap, I like Uniswap, and Uniswap has an opportunity to continue its bullish trend, right? We're already above the skinny pink line, and we have been consolidating. This is the kind of move that we like to see, and I feel like this could be turning into a symmetrical. Do you see it? Do you see it, boys and girls? Woo! Right. Something like that. Symmetrical triangle. Breakout! Which actually is something like an inverse head and shoulders. Woohoo! Things could be rising higher for Uni against BTC. Right. This could be good news for Uniswap. I like Uniswap. I think Uniswap is a solid project. I think Hayden is awesome. And yeah, again, we still don't really know for sure, but I'm more inclined to believe that the bullish trend will go on. Look at this, right? Buying pressure, so much buying pressure, and then consolidation. Next leg, right? The third wave is usually the longest, never the shortest. So this is a trader's favorite wave is actually the third wave. So we would love to take a trade for Uniswap against BTC, but we need to see it being reflected on the USD pair as well. Looking at the Uniswap USD pair, we're still under the skinny pink line. Sure, you can argue that it's something like a consolidation, something like that. And yeah, we could be breaking out from here. Definitely, for sure. Pew! Right. We are not too sure ourselves. We're not too sure ourselves, right? Yeah, no, we can't really, you know, things just aren't really that clear yet. Yeah, but I'm leaning towards the bearish side of things. It's just that we're still under the skinny pink line, so maybe we might miss the first move. If it consolidates, then maybe we might take the second move, or we might just hop in here, right? So it all depends upon BTC. If BTC continues collapsing, then very likely Uniswap is going to be affected as well. So yeah, it all depends upon the whales of BTC. Abso-freaking-lutely. Next will be Avalanche, right? AVAX against BTC. So for AVAX, boy, we still have a target over here. 47,000 Satoshis. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is a wave 5 in the making. Potentially, doesn't mean it's going to be a wave 5. We could just start, you know, rising up from here. But we're already, you know, still in a downwards trend. We're still under the skinny pink line. So yeah, we tend to remain biased, bearish. Although you could argue that this is a falling channel, and falling channels usually break higher, right? rising channels usually break lower. You see that? Chart patterns, boys, chart patterns. AVAX against USDT. Yeah, look at this. Rising channel usually breaks lower, right? But at the same time, you can also argue that this is a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. But the only question we have, and the question that we always ask is this the bottom? Could we still hit lower? Right? It could still be a valid channel even if we do slowly fall towards target at $9, and then only do we see any sort of a reaction for AVAX against USDT. It could still fall lower, right? But anyway, I think that this is already 5 waves for AVAX against USDT, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! Right. So maybe a reversal is in the cards. Maybe we might not even hit targets, but we still have a valid target over here. So until we see proper bullish reversals, we will still remain with our target. Yeah, we could do something like this, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom! Skinny pink line heads down, right shoulder above the skinny pink line, and then it starts curving back up. Wow! This would be great. But yeah, we'll have to take things one step at a time. We're still not really sure yet, so stay safe. Safety is always #1 priority. Alright, I guess that's it for today's Crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!